Do you want to skyrocket your productivity? Well, in this video we're going to be going over 5 different ways in which ChatGPT can 10x your productivity. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you're someone that procrastinates on the thought of structuring emails, this is where ChatGPT can help. We can simply give it some key points about what we want our email to be about. Then it will go ahead and write out a perfect email for us. For example, I'm simply going to type, I need to write an email to my manager about scheduling a team meeting. The tone should be professional. The purpose of the email is to propose a meeting time and share the agenda. Please include these key points. Suggest next Monday at 10 AM. Highlight that we'll be discussing project updates and ask for confirmation. End the email with a call to action asking the recipient to confirm the time or suggest an alternative. In the matter of seconds, it has generated an email with all the points that I asked it to include. It has included an email subject, the main point of the email, and has ended with a call to action. We can read through this and make any necessary changes, which would be a lot quicker than typing out an email ourselves. Next up, ChatGPT can be a super useful tool for brainstorming ideas, whether it's for blog posts, social media content, marketing campaigns, or even solutions to your problems. ChatGPT can help. As a YouTuber, one of the most challenging tasks is coming up with engaging video ideas. I'm going to tell ChatGPT a little bit about my YouTube channel and ask it to come up with some video ideas. Here's what I'm going to say. My YouTube channel is all about AI. I create videos focused on AI reviews and tutorials. My target audience is tech enthusiasts, small business owners, and people curious about using AI tools. I want to create videos that educate them about how to use AI effectively and stay updated with the latest AI innovations. Please can you come up with video ideas? It has now listed out a variety of different video types and then given us some ideas for each. For example, underneath the video type, reviews and comparisons, some of the ideas it has listed are top 10 AI tools of the year, ChatGPT versus Bard, DALL-E 3 versus Midjourney. Along with each video idea, it has provided a short description about what the video will be about. Moving on, if you've got a big document which you need to read, or have been provided with a long page of meeting notes, but don't have time to read through it all, ChatGPT is really good at condensing long pieces of writing into concise summaries detailing the key points. I'm simply going to type, can you summarise this article by highlighting the key points, main arguments, and any significant conclusions. Then I'm going to paste my article. Within seconds, it has summarised the whole article into different points. It has started with the key points, then it has listed out any relevant points, and finally ended with the main argument and significant conclusions. If vocabulary isn't your strong point, the next tip is perfect for you. We can provide ChatGPT with a sentence and ask it to make it sound more of a certain way. For example, I'm going to ask, please rephrase this sentence to make it sound more persuasive and compelling. Then I'm going to paste the sentence. We have now gone from, our product is good and may help you solve some problems, to, our product is exceptional and designed to help you effectively overcome your challenges, making your life easier and more successful. Here is another example. If we want to make our sentences sound more professional, we have gone from, can you send me the details as soon as possible? Thanks. To, could you kindly provide me with the details at your earliest convenience? Thank you. Last but not least, if you're doing research for a task, whether it be writing a blog post, YouTube script or article, knowing what points should be covered can make the whole process a lot easier. I'm simply going to type, I'm conducting research on AI in healthcare for an article. Could you please provide a summary of the key points and topics I should cover? It has now listed out 8 different headings. Under each heading, it has provided subheadings and listed out what should be included for each point. For example, as the example is for an article about AI in healthcare, one of the headings is applications of AI in healthcare. Then one of the subheadings for this is diagnostics and imaging. Underneath that, it has listed 2 bullet points for what information should be included. That's all we have for this video today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.